To view plant cells, the plant we use is an onion. So we chop up an onion into small pieces, and taking a small piece of onion, we can either use a forceps, if necessary, or fingernails, and you remove a piece of onion epidermis from the inner side of the curve of the onion and place it onto a microscope slide. Again, to prevent dehydration, we add a few drops of water. Again, we need a cover slip, and we place the cover slip, the edge of the cover slip, down into the water and lower it slowly using the needle to remove air bubbles. We place the slide onto the microscope. Again, lower the stage of the microscope. Place it on. Always starting with the low power lens, so click the low power lens into position. Bring the stage up to its maximum. This time I might put on the clips. And viewing it, we rotate the microscope, the stage slightly downwards, and we see a clear image. Again, to adjust the light, we just rotate the diaphragm and you select the light that you find most suitable. To view the cells under medium power, just rotate in the medium power lens. And again, a slight refocus. And to view under high power, rotating in the high power lens, and this time using the fine focus. Slight rotation gives us a clear image. To view plant cells stained, again we use a piece of onion. You can use the forceps or fingernails if suitable. And we peel off a piece of onion from the inner curve of a piece of cut up onion. So a very thin layer. This allows light to pass through. Place it onto the microscope slide. As a stain for plant cells, we use iodine. So 3 drops of iodine solution, it being a kind of a red, yellow colour. Again, we add a cover slip, and we add it at an angle. So the cover slip goes down into the solution. Using a needle, we lower the cover slip at an angle to remove air bubbles. Slowly removing it. We now transfer the slide onto the microscope stage, lowering the microscope stage to allow us to work clearly. And we center it, clip it into position. Again, bring the microscope, click in the low power lens, starting with low power. Bring the microscope stage up as high as possible. View it under the microscope, and using the coarse focus, turning it slightly, we adjust until we see a clear image. Again, the diaphragm can be used to change the light intensity and produce a clearer image, hopefully. To view under medium power, we click in the medium power lens and use the coarse focus. And to view under high power, we use the high power lens, and this time we use the fine focus. Images of the unstained and stained onion cells can be seen on the slide.